Hi, my name is Dr. Todd Rowe, and I'm here today to talk about the homeopathic medicine Belladonna, or nightshade. Before I start, I'd like to say that nothing in this material is meant to diagnose, prescribe for, treat, or cure any illness. Please consult your homeopathic practitioner for treatment options. Belladonna is one of our most important homeopathic medicines. It's a beautiful plant with purple flowers. The remedy is prepared from a tincture of the whole plant, and it's been used historically by women to stimulate blushing and eye brightness in the face. Some of the hallmarks of using this homeopathic medicine acutely are the sudden onset of symptoms. Typically they come on with violence, like an attack. Often there is a high fever with burning heat and a bright red discoloration of the skin. There can be a pulsating or throbbing quality to the symptoms, and often a fair amount of dryness. Characteristically, the head feels quite hot, and the extremities can feel quite chilly or cold. And you can use this remedy acutely for a wide variety of infections, but most commonly for sore throats, ear infections, and breast infections. People who need this remedy often have a lively temper and can get quite angry and also quite excitable. Their anger can even become somewhat rageful or violent, like a temper tantrum, where they kick or scream or bite or pull their hair. Also, during Belladonna Acute, the senses are quite sensitive. So, sensitive to noise, sensitive to light, sensitive to touch, sensitive to odors are all characteristic of Belladonna Acutes. Some general characteristics is this flushing, this redness that occurs all over the body, this pulsating pain. Also, the pains tend to come suddenly and go suddenly. It's one of our main remedies for febrile seizures or seizures that accompany high fevers. Even the discharges are described as quite hot. And Belladonna patients are very sensitive to temperature change, whether their head gets chilled or they get overheated by the sun. It's one of our main remedies for heat exhaustion here in the Arizona desert. The classic time aggravation for Belladonna is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a remedy that can be worse during the period, or menopause, or during pregnancy. They're also notorious for being worse from motion and from jarring, like going over a speed bump. Typically their symptoms are much worse on the right side as opposed to the left side of the body. And as I mentioned, there is a lot of dryness of the mucous membranes. You can compare this homeopathic medicine to aconite napellus, or monk's hood, also to Bryonia alba, or white bryony, or Lachesis mutans, which is the bushmaster snake. You can order this homeopathic medicine at orders at amchoh.org, or if you'd like to know more about this homeopathic medicine or other acute care remedies, you can find out about our acute care program at acutecare@amchoh.org. Thank you very much.